Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of speaking with Sandy Brown. He's a candidate for mayor in the town of Orangeville, and this is the last video we have with him. Thank you for being here today, Sandy.
Thank you, Brad, for having me.
So I want to give you an opportunity to kind of pitch your last thing to the voters, why you want to be elected as the mayor and why you think you should be.
Okay. Well, thank you. What I would like to bring to town council is my almost 40 years of experience in business, both owning small business, running small business, managing and general managing small business, and you know, sales and marketing has been something that I've been doing a good part of my life. I think those who are in sales and marketing, their job is to gain consensus, whether it's from a customer, present an idea or a solution for something. And I think those skills are really important at the council table. And I'd like to bring that there, not only to sell ideas that I may have, but to get collaboration and consensus amongst town council and county council when those issues come up. So I think, you know, the reason that I'm running is I'm frustrated, like many other people, with the ongoing onslaught of taxation here, both on our tax bills and also user fees and other fees that we see here in town. I'd like to see you know, us cooperate with town staff in trying to find efficiencies and look at ways of making some changes. Again, we've talked about the OPP debate and what millions of dollars in savings could do in helping stave off increased taxes and help other departments in the town. So I'm really looking forward to that. I've been in this town for 28 years. I've been a community advocate and volunteer for many of those years. I know a lot of people in town. I hope that they will trust that I'm honest, I have integrity. I'm looking for transparency in what town council does. I want to see increase in the communication of things going on in this town. I think we can achieve that with with technology that's available, and you know, collaboration and consensus. And I'm pretty confident that I'm going to be one of the people that are going to lead on that issue. And I know a number of these candidates, and I hope that there's a turnover and some fresh ideas and fresh blood that comes into town council. Really looking forward to working with them and for the benefit of everybody. And that's, you know, like this is, you know, there's a word, you know, altruism. It's like doing good just for the sake of doing good, right? And that's what I hope many of those council candidates are doing. They're fed up with what they've seen. They want to help, and they want to do the best for this town. And, you know, I hope that's who gets elected. I really do.
Perfect. Well, I wish you the best of luck, and thank you very much for participating in this.
It's been great. I'm really happy that you put it together, Brad. It's awesome. Yeah. So thank you.
Well, as always, if you want to see some more content on what Sandy has to say, please do take a look at the links below. And I want to finish off with one thing. I do urge you strongly, if you live in Orangeville, please do use your democratic right to make a vote and come out on the voting day to make sure that you do have your voice and that this town does move in the right direction. Thank you very much for watching.